saving grace. Cause it's getting harder and harder to breathe. My tears release the pain, so I can